Good morning, guys. It is the day of the car show, and man, I finally got some rest last night. I probably went to sleep about 8. Y'all literally didn't sleep in over 36 hours because yesterday, the day before yesterday, got up, worked all day, got everything ready for the trip. Corey calls, says let's load up, and we pulled up. 10-11 hour drive. Got here, spent the whole day here, and finally got some rest last night. Was messing with me a little bit, man. I had just literally crashed in the Cullinan, man. Like, I was so tired, just fell asleep in the back. And yeah, had good rest, and it's a new day. It's the day of the car show, so we're up before everyone as usual. But my boy V just went to go wash his truck. I'm about to wash mine. Unloaded the 4-wheeler, and man, we just gonna have a great day. See what lies ahead of us. There you go. There you go. Just like that, y'all. We got her wrenched up, cleaned up. She's not perfect, but she's definitely better than what she was before and has been the past months. Y'all, this is my daily work truck. So, on the job sites, like, she gets dirty instantly. So, most of the time it is dirty. But we got her rinsed up and shined up a little. I'm going to do some touch-ups on the bumper and the mirrors. So, I'm going to go across the street and get some spray paint and get her looking nice, man. So there you go. Oh, we here. I just put up on the 4-wheeler. And y'all, we got some fishermen, some vendors pulling up. Gonna be a great day. Beautiful weather, clear skies. Thank you, Lord, man. Couldn't ask for a better day. And we gonna make the best of it. Beautiful day on the pond. Beautiful day. We've been working. Me and V loaded up some big old bouncy houses, brought them here, and we're setting them up now. We got a lot of other things set up. How we looking, man?
Hey, man, we working, man. We put in work earlier.
You already know.
You already know. Make it happen.
Yes, sir. Y'all, we in the land, man, driving that thing. Boy, V in the Rose, in the Lambo. Let ride, man. D-Dog popped out. Man, I don't know if I can see this joint, but that shit look crazy. First time driving a Lamb. Y'all, this thing drives so smooth. Wow. I ain't even gonna step it for real, cause it's too much for me. Man, y'all, but one day, man, we gonna make it happen for sure. And crazy, this wifey car too, like, one day, bro, one day. Y'all, something slight, man. Something slight. And boys pulling up, man. And watch these joints real quick. Enjoy the time out here, man. It's a beautiful day, clear skies. How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good, man. I better go get this puppy before he shit in their truck and I'll be out of luck.
And that boy. Gonna put up deep. That's how we pull up on the regular. That's what I'm saying, man. I wish I can hook up the Bluetooth, but we just cruising her, man. We cruising her down to the pond. We're gonna take a look at everything, do a grand little entrance on this joint, and have some fun, man. Gonna be a good day, good time. Y'all stay tuned for the video, man. So we making it down to the pond, and as y'all see, we got a bunch of families and a bunch bunch of kids, vendors. They got that boy popping clutches. We got bounce houses set up. And we're making our first round, man. Crazy. Got the cabin over there. And beautiful pond, stage, basketball. Oh, so we done came to the tire shop, getting 2 new tires for our trailer backups. The spares on my other one right now, so I'm getting a new 10 ply. And we're gonna get back to the show, man. God damn it, boy!
Man, I'm so motherfucking tired of making shirts. Fuck these shirts.
Popping, boy. Popping. Crazy. Crazy. Double GMC with the trailer. Crazy. God damn, bro. Train is full. Gilly and the foe. Whipping him. Yes, sir. Oh, we took this motherfucker off-roading for real. No, we in a straight jungle right now. Literally. straight back roads. Like, how do you even get this, bro? This shit crazy. We gotta dodge ahead a little bit right here. Damn, so this is the back. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, watch my head right there, boy. Ah! Damn it, boy! My boy did his thing on that shit. There you go. Off-roading and all. Another spot owned by Cory and his pops. It's crazy. Auto care, restaurant, tax service, and barbershop all in one. Got the whole lineup. Going crazy, boy. Ready to get in detail real quick. He's gonna get back on the road. Yeah, man. They do this shit on the regular. Pops pull up like this on the regular. Speakers on